In this video, let's talk about how to optimize your AngelList profile. If you're actively searching for jobs, let me show you a couple of things that you can change in order to optimize your profile. First things first, head over to your profile. Now the straightforward or the main thing that you need to make sure is that all of these sections are up to date. All the way from overview to culture, make sure that you have filled in all of these sections. But however, there are a few details that you also need to add in. For example, if you're filling out the profile section inside of AngelList, you need to make sure that your bio as well as the achievement section does tell about what your achievements are. Most employers look out for employees that have actually listed down the achievements they have made or the things that they have actually done or the results they have shown. So in the bio section as well, there is an example which says launch a successful Android app. So you can take this as an example and you need to make sure that you show your results. Also, if you do have all of these profiles, make sure you add in the links. And as I said, make sure you show your results on the achievement sites as well. Now, most people miss the culture section where you can exactly tell WellFound what jobs are you looking for. It says right here, describe what you are looking for in your next job. This way you can add in your detailed explanation of the type of startup that you're trying to get into. Also, make sure you fill in all of these information. These red marks means that they are mandatory and you need to fill this information in. Also, make sure your resume is up to date and make sure that the summary of your resume also reflects your achievements as well as your results. So by making these few changes, you'll be able to optimize your profile inside of AngelList or WellFound. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up.